Today, I'm going to attempt to do the curly girl hair method, but using the bow method. It's all over TikTok right now. There are so many creators, so I can't really pinpoint one because I've seen so many of them and so many of them just mention the other creators. So it's gonna be kind of like a mishmash of a lot of techniques that I saw. So essentially, you're going to dunk your hair in a bowl filled with water, and you're going to do it 4 times while you have curl cream in your hair, and then you're going to basically squish your hair up and see basically what the results are at the very end after you blow dry your hair using a hair diffuser. For most of my life, my hair is pretty straight. Even when it air dries, it has like a slight bend here and there, but my hair got a lot more wavier after I gave birth to my babies. Like the postpartum hair, when it came in, it's a little more wavy than what I grew up with. So we're gonna try it out. See if I get any type of waves. Let's do it, because it's a process. So this is kind of what my hair looks like. This is what I wanted to show you. It kind of starts waving around itself. So I would say this is like a 2B, 2C type of a curl, but most of my hair is like a 1C to a 2A. First step, wash your hair. You wash your hair normally, you shampoo condition. That's what I did. I double shampooed. The only thing I'm concerned about, I did do an overnight oil scalp mask last night, so I'm hoping it's not gonna affect the results. I don't see why it should, but next step is you apply some kind of curl cream to your hair, curl jelly. I don't know if this is curl cream, but this is called a scrunching jelly or curl jelly from Umberto Giannini. I've never tried this brand, but I saw it. I bought it on Instagram or from Instagram. I don't know how much I need to apply. We're gonna try that much. So I'm gonna flip my hair upside down towards the bowl and first apply the cream, and then we're gonna brush through using a detangler. Got a towel down here so I don't run to the bathroom back and forth. But it feels a little sticky. All right, now I'm gonna brush my hair all the way from the back to the front of my hair using the Ultima Detangler from Tangle Teezer. Next step, dunk your hair. Ugh, I'm on the chair. Okay, now I'm gonna squish. Okay, gonna move the hair over to the left side. Gonna dunk. Okay, to the other side. So 4 dunks, front, side, side, front again. And I'm kind of making sure all the hair goes over to this side. And I'm just using cold water. Making a mess over here. I guess I'm just squishing out the water that's in my hair. Okay, last dunk, back to the front, and I'm making sure to bring my hair towards the front, kind of around my ears. Okay, last dunk. Make sure all my hair gets dunked. Okay. Scrunch, scrunch. Should have worn an apron. Okay, move the bowl out of the way. Next step, some hair mousse. I think you can also use gel at this point. I could probably even use this, the scrunchy jelly, but we're gonna go with mousse. I see everybody doing this. Just kind of grazing the hair. And then scrunch. I think I have a lot of liquid in here. I think I need a little bit more. mean, I'm seeing some kind of pattern happening. Okay, I'm gonna move back. Oh, excuse me. My back hurts from this. This is honestly uncomfortable. Next step, we're going to micro plop with a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt, but this is just going to help basically scrunch or squish the mousse more into my hair. And now I'm gonna take my towel, I'm gonna place it down. Again, you can use a t-shirt. I'm just going to plop my hair in here. Hopefully I don't fall. Okay, so for the hair plopping and your microfiber towel, around 10 to 15 minutes, probably depending on your hair type, your hair length, all that good stuff. In the meantime, I'm going to do my makeup and I'll see you back for hair diffusing moment. I'm excited. I'm intrigued, but also nervous. Okay, we're gonna diffuse the hair now. Had it hair plopped in my microfiber cloth for at least 15 minutes. Now we're gonna start diffusing. This part here is the most tedious. It's very time consuming. And I'm using a new hair dryer, T3 Scent Over. We're gonna try it out together. Okay, that's what we're looking like. This is kind of what I anticipated my hair would look like, to be honest with you. Looks like my hair got air dried. If I just put like leave-in conditioner, a little bit oils on my end, and I just let it air dry, do its thing, this is what my hair looks like. So personally, to me, I honestly don't really need to do any kind of method. Just let my hair air dry, see what happens, and there you go. I wouldn't call this method a complete fail for my hair type. Again, it's not gonna work for every hair type. It's because everybody's hair is so different. I think the only thing that's a little more defined are these pieces right here. Like these are usually pretty wavy even when I air dry. Like these kind of pieces, like some of them are a little bit more defined, but I have most of the wave happening like right here underneath, not the top hairs. I think maybe if I do this on a regular basis, like every single hair wash day, I plop my hair in the shower in a bowl. Again, I would do it in the shower. That's how most people do it, is take a bowl with you into the shower. That way you're not getting everything else messy. It's contained in one area. I think maybe my hair would get trained if I don't use like heat, if I don't do any other kind of hair methods or techniques. It might get trained to be a little more wavy and consistent. But personally, like I said, I didn't really grow up with super wavy hair or even regular wavy hair, like 2A. That was, no. It was more of like 1A to 1B. No wave. It's only when I started having kids and after the postpartum hair, my hair actually got some defined waves and regular waves. Personally, would I do this method again? No. I think it's a little time consuming. The diffusing part took roughly 8 minutes because, like I said, my hair dries pretty quick. Like I said, I think I would be more interested in this if I grew up with like wavy curly hair and then I lost it over time due to like heat styling, bleaching my hair, coloring my hair. But no, even when I was a child, I never had curly hair or wavy hair. My hair was usually pinned straight. So that's why this is not as fascinating to me, this curly hair girl method or the bowl method, because my hair is not very naturally curly or wavy. Well, there you have it. I'm sure I can improve a lot of these steps, like add different hair curl cream, different styling curl cream, different hair mousse. But again, just this method, it's not for everybody, and that's okay. But I think it's great to try it out if you already have some of these products at home. And if you were curious, I think it's a fun method. It's honestly not too bad. It's not too time consuming depending on your hair type and your hair length. The only thing I would say is time consuming, or not time consuming, it's a little more painful, is the dunking and kind of holding your hair there, because you're plopped over the bowl for, you know, at least 5 to 10 minutes, depending again on your hair length and your hair type. But otherwise, it's really not that bad. It's kind of straight to the point, self-explanatory, but yeah, I think just with practice, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get easier, going to get better results. But again, for me personally, it's not worth it. I'm gonna end it here, you guys. Thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.